Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick run through of the new CopyX platform on tag markets. CopyX is designed to let you connect to top traders and receive their trades automatically. CopyX was designed to provide an extremely user-friendly and fast experience to make the process as simple as possible to start receiving trades from your favorite traders. So once you log into your back office, soon you're going to see a CopyX link. You would click this link. It would take you here to the browse page. In the browse page, you're going to quickly be able to see all the different strategies that are available to you. And you can see all the statistics. You can see the ROI, a visual representation of the ROI, max drawdown, P&Ls. So you're going to be able to see at a glance potential strategies that are of interest to you. You can even click on these stars and favorite them for later, of which you would go to your followers hub. Then you would go to strategies, favorites, and then you would see the strategy that you just favorited, and you'd be interested potentially in joining it later. So let's say I'm interested in seeing more information about this strategy. You can ignore these statistics, it's just for testing. You would click details, and then you would see all the information about the strategy, how many followers there are, how many days it's been trading, what the strategy provider charges on profits, the performance fee, the minimum investment required, and how much capital is connected to the strategy. Mind you that every strategy provider is different. Some of them don't show this out of privacy reasons. You'll see a graph here showing you the statistics, and then lots of very detailed information about each strategy. The win rate, the max drawdowns, how many trades were won, how many were lost, average drawdowns, risk to rewards, average holding times per trade, and all these type of fun and detailed statistics. You can also go to the trades and then see all the closed trades of the strategy. As mentioned, this is all test data, so just ignore it for now. You can also see on the bottom other strategies from the same provider. So let's say I'm interested in seeing this one because I know I trust this trader and I want to see everything else he offers. I would click this, and then you would also see the other strategies. Now, how would I join a strategy? This is an extremely simple process. We reinvented it. So you would click details once again. And as you can see, you can do it from two ways. You can click connect here, or you can click connect here, and it is incredibly easy. So we're going to do it together. I'm going to click connect, and then that's it. It's going to show you this pop-up. It's going to show you all the more details of that we already looked. It's going to show you the performance fee. It's going to say that the profit fee is charged daily, weekly, monthly. Minimum investment period is 1 day. Some strategy providers charge management fees, others don't. And let's say I want to join this. So I want to put $100. This is an Amplify account. It shows me here. So mind you, my balance is multiplied by 12. And this is the risk multiplier. So what this does is it just increases the risk. So if the provider opens up one lot, you're going to receive one lot according to your balance. But if you put it on 2x, it's going to double it. And obviously, super high risk is 10x. Now, very important to realize, once again, we offer much flexibility to all these providers. So they have the option to customize their strategies. A lot of strategy providers do not offer risk multipliers. So it might be that when you join a strategy, you do not see this. It is because the provider has chosen not to allow their followers to take on extra risk. All you're going to do here is select that you agree to the terms. You put your $100 and you click copy now. You click continue, and now it's going to take us to our follower hub. So the follower hub is going to be the place where you monitor all your statistics of the strategy and the results. It's going to show you here your MT5 trading credentials. So here's your MT5 account number, your master password. You simply put this in MT5, and now you can view all of your trades, statistics, and follow along live. In the beginning, for now, you will not be able to trade this account. It is exclusively only to receive trades from the strategy. Later on, we will let you and enable the feature to allow trading, but for now, you can only receive trades. So you'll be seeing here your results, your graphical representation of those results, how much you invested, ROIs, P&Ls. If you're connected to more strategies, they will show up here. You can see your credentials, how much you invested, your balance, ROI, P&L. You can see that this is extremely, extremely detailed. Now, inactive is going to show you if you have an Amplify account, if your account was disabled because the provider caused you to breach your account, it would show up here. breached, this is where it's going to show up. Inactive is if you disconnect from a strategy. So now, let's say I am receiving trades on this strategy that we just joined. How would I disconnect from this strategy? How would I stop receiving trades? It would be a simple click of a button. Once I click stop here, it's going to do two things. One, if you have open trades, it will close your open trades immediately. And on top of that, you will stop receiving trades from the strategy provider. So it's going to completely disconnect you and you will no longer receive any trades. But please keep in mind, if you have trades open, it will close them. So we suggest that you disconnect or you stop copying a strategy when the trades are closed, but it is up to your own discretion. Just keep that in mind. Also, if you want to deposit more funds after the first time, it's a simple process. You could just put another $100 or $1,000, you deposit, and it's going to, once again, add it here. You can see that it multiplied it times 12 because this is a Amplify account. If you want to withdraw money, it's the same concept. If you have the available margin and the available funds, you would simply withdraw these and they would show up inside of your Tag wallet. And that pretty much sums up the basics of how to use the CopyX dashboard.